A bills question. With bills, your meter reading always changes. As you use an electric or gas unit, it always moves up by 1. Okay, so when you look at working out the bill, you have a previous meter reading and the current meter reading. The first thing you have to do to work out the number of units used is take them away. So you're doing the bigger number, 4878, take away 4,318, and when you take them away, the answer to that comes up as 560. You're allowed a calculator, so you can check if or use a calculator. 4878 take away 4318 is 560, which goes here. You're using 560 units, and each of them units costs 23.2 pence. So to work out the cost of the unit in pence, you do 560 times the cost of the unit, which is 23.2. But then to change that from pence to pounds, you're going to divide by 100. So when you're dividing by 100, it becomes £129.92. That's the cost of the units. You always have a quarterly charge or a monthly charge where they charge you just to be connected. So what you have to do now is you've got your cost of the units plus the cost of your quarterly charge. So £129.92 plus £28.88 equals £158.8. But what that means is 0.80 pence. It's important you realise that 0.8 is 80 pence. I'm now finding VAT at 5% of the charge. So to find 5%, the easiest way, well, there's 3 different ways depending on how your teacher taught you. You can either do 0.05 times £158.80, because 5% as a decimal is 0.05. You could either use the 5 times £158.80 and then use the percentage button on your calculator, or you can divide by 100 and times by 5. So if I'm going to show you the way you can use it with the percentage button on the calculator, you're doing 5 times £158.80, and then the percent button is behind my equal sign there. So to get that button up, I press the shift, press the equals, and it comes up as £7.94. So the total charge including VAT is going to be the 2 we've just found added together, the charge before VAT plus the VAT. So I got £7.94 plus £158.80, and that comes up as £166.74. In this case now, we're not in credit, so they don't owe us money. If you had a CR written there, then it means that they owe you money. You're in credit, you're good, so you would take it off. But because we owe them £12, we now need to add on £12 to this answer. So we've got £166.74 plus £12. So the final answer is £178.74.